Ever wondered about a natural way to support your heart health? The answer might be in a humble vegetable like beetroot. This crimson root vegetable is more than just a colorful addition to your salads. It is packed with nitrates, a compound that our bodies can convert into nitric oxide, which widens our blood vessels, thereby improving circulation. Better circulation potentially means a healthier heart. Moreover, beetroots are rich in other nutrients like fiber, vitamin C, and potassium, all of which contribute to overall heart health. So, don't overlook this vibrant veggie. Let's dive into the fascinating research on beetroot juice and heart health. A recent study from Penn State University has shed new light on beetroot's potential benefits for heart health. The researchers gathered 24 postmenopausal women known for a heightened risk of heart disease due to the loss of estrogen after menopause. The women were asked to drink beetroot juice daily, rich in nitrates. After a week of daily beetroot juice intake, the results were impressive. The women showed a significant improvement in blood vessel function compared to when they drank nitrate-free juice. This improvement suggests that beetroot juice could potentially lower heart disease risk and provide long-term support for heart health. So, what does improved blood vessel function mean for heart health? Let's find out. Improved blood vessel function refers to the ability of our blood vessels to expand and contract to accommodate blood flow. Postmenopausal women face the problem of less flexible blood vessels due to the loss of estrogen. Beetroot juice, rich in nitrates, can potentially solve this problem. The nitrates are converted by our bodies into nitric oxide, which ensures our blood vessels remain wide and accommodating. Therefore, beetroot juice emerges as a promising natural alternative for heart health. So why not pick up some beetroot juice or even beetroot powder, another source of natural nitrates, on your next grocery run? Your heart might just thank you for it. But why not just consume processed foods high in nitrates? The source of nitrates makes a world of difference. While nitrates found in vegetables like beets are naturally occurring and beneficial, synthetic nitrates in processed foods can pose health risks. So it's not just about nitrates, but where they come from that matters. So, what's the final word on beetroot juice and beetroot powder for heart health? The Penn State study revealed that beetroot, rich in natural nitrates, enhances the function of blood vessels in postmenopausal women, indicating a hopeful prospect for lasting heart health. Better blood circulation minimizes the chances of heart disorders. Unlike hormone treatment, beetroot juice and powder present a natural, safer choice for supporting heart health in the long run. So perhaps it's time to add some beetroot juice or powder to your diet. As we wrap up today's video on the heart health benefits of beetroot juice, we hope this knowledge has given you a new perspective to consider. Beetroot juice and powder aren't just about vibrant colors and sweet taste. They hold a promising potential for heart health. If you found this information helpful, don't forget to hit the subscribe button to stay updated with our latest health tips and discoveries. We truly value our community and would love to hear from you. Leave a comment below sharing your thoughts or experiences with beetroot juice. Have you tried it? Has it made any changes in your health? Your experiences could help others on their journey to better health. Stay healthy, stay informed. We'll be back with more enlightening videos. Until then, remember, your health is your wealth. See you in the next video.